what you see during a crisis, it doesn't matter when it happens to you. I was a hostage in Iraq for 5 months. I saw the best in people, and I saw the worst in people, and sometimes from the same people. So one is left after a tragedy, after a crisis, with a real sense of confusion, because you're happy it's over, but you know the world has changed. The excitement of responding to a crisis creates its own energy, but how do you sustain that effort after? We're not after here. We're by no means are we after. But it's the little things that stick with you. It's never the big things. Received all kinds of awards and many other things, and the most precious thing I have as an award is a little poster that Maria's son gave to me after a very particularly bad day, a few days in this pandemic, with a lot of the scrutiny that Dr. Tedros talks about, a lot of the base discourse and the base attacks. It's a sad thing for me to have seen how our language to each other and how our engagement to each other has become so impolite, so attacking, so disrespectful. And it was a particularly tough day, and I thought, I don't know if we get through another one. And Maria's son sent a little poster to me with a rainbow on it, and it said, "Good job." And that's sitting on my, there's a WHO thing behind me when I do my Zoom calls, and on the top left corner, if those of you who might want to look more closely, you'll often see that little poster is still there, and it just says, "Good job." I hope we've done a good job. It's not been a perfect job, but my abiding thought of the pandemic is people are wonderful. People have an innate capacity to survive crisis. We, as leaders in whatever field we lead, be it in the front line of the health service, be it in the front line of political leadership, be it in the front line of innovation, we have a duty to serve the people. And we have more to do if we're going to serve the people properly when it comes. I really hope dearly, my personal wish is that we can agree in accord, we can agree a new way of doing business for the future.